this chain you need 2 cards. Okay, you can use any card, and this is the version that you do without the deck. Okay, of course you can do this chain with the deck. Okay, but this is the version without the deck. So you just take 2 cards, okay, and just show it as one. Okay, so it's a double leaf, and you can start with showing the card as one like this. So you can begin, okay, from your palm. You can show it one card and just turn over, and you hold in this position. Okay, so you hold like this. So the move is, okay, your right hand come, okay, first right hand come and cover. At the moment here, you just press this card and use your thumb to separate this card. Okay, like this. You just push the card at the same time your hand come up. Okay, so here you just press and separate. Okay, you just push the back card. Okay, you just separate like this. So you hold with your thumb. Okay, you don't have to palm it, you just hold it with your thumb. Okay, so one more time here. Okay, show, come, and you just press with your thumb, move up. At the same time you just push the back card until the card is separate, and you hold like this. Okay, in this position all you do, you just drop this card, and this is what happened, and the chain happen. So from the front, remember here, from this position, okay, just turn over first. Okay, you cover and you move up. Okay, at the same time, remember this is completely covered, you just separate like this. Right now the top card is on the palm, okay, but it's completely covered. Okay, so you can make your hand stay like this. Okay, you don't have to palm it, okay, because it's held by your thumb. So from here you just drop and the chain happen. Okay, so that you can spin, okay, or just showing like this. So one more time. Okay, show the card. Okay, turn over, hold like this. Okay, come, remember you up, you just press with your thumb and split the card and just drop, and you're done. Okay, so here remember first position, show, turn over, come, up and drop, and after that you can spin or you just show it like this, and that's the chain. If you do it with your deck, it's the same. Okay, just first just turn over, double leaf, 2 card. Okay, it's same, just hold like this. Okay, your thumb just separate and just drop, and chain happen. Okay, so here showing like this, come and just do this, and so that you can take double leaf again and show the chain. With this chain you can do also a card vanish. Okay, let me show you. You just take any card, okay, put it face up on top of your deck, so that you just execute double leaf. Okay, you just steal the next card, so that you do exactly the same. Okay, so here you just separate, you just do the move and drop, but this time of course you just vanish this card. Okay, so here show, and you just do the same. Okay, and make it card vanish. So this card chain are really versatile, so you can use it as a card chain, or you can do it as a card vanish. Okay, you can do it without the deck, or you can do it with the deck.